In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a credit card to Apple Pay. Locate and open the Wallet app on your iPhone, and then tap on the plus button to begin adding a new card. Select debit or credit card for new cards, and tap on Continue to proceed. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to input the required card details, like number, expiration date, and security code. Your bank might require an additional application to be downloaded as a part of the process. If you have an Apple Watch paired with your iPhone, you can add the card to the watch as well. Select your Apple Watch as a device you want to add the card to, and proceed to verify the added card before you can use it for making payments. Choose a verification method, usually a text message or a call, to confirm. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.